Clockwise, today I received these new sets of, well, salt and pepper grinders mills for reviewing purposes, obviously. I think they're quite nice. They come very secure on this bubble wrap, so I like it. It has a clear body, which obviously looks nice, and it looks even nicer with your salt or your pepper or any kind of spice that you need to grind. These ones, like there is food grade plastic on the downside. You can see how it works on the inside. I'm going to fill them up probably with basic stuff, salt, pepper, and I'll try it on. I will open them to fill them up with some spices, probably some pepper and some salt. So, okay. I'll go check for the spices. Okay, so now I've filled them up. I'm gonna make some scrambled eggs to use both of them. And at this point, I'm gonna season it. Just make sure it's really tight on the roll, like that, a bit just. And the salt. Just like that. And yeah, these two grinders are very nice. I like them a lot. They're, as you see, very easy to refill. And yeah, I like them. I'll keep it right here at my house. Right back.